Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to customize your Shopify website. First things first, open up your Shopify by typing it in the search bar in your browser. And then, log in into your Shopify account. If you don't have any, just kindly sign up and create one for a while. Okay, once you have yourself logged in, you will now find yourself in the main page of the Shopify. It is where you can work with your business. For you to proceed, what you are going to do is head on the interface on the left side of your screen. In here, you will see a number of selections of what you can do to Shopify. However, the only thing that you will want to select is the online store. Once you have selected online store, what you want to do is select themes. In here, you can have pre-customized themes for your online shop that you can access. Once you have selected your theme, you can now press Customize. Doing this will bring you to your online store customization. So in here, you can see on the left side of your screen are the several customizations that you can do on your Shopify online store. You can customize the header part, which consists of the announcement bar and the banner, and even press the Add section to add more stuff on your online store. Next is the template part of the customization. In here, you can customize the image banner where you can add the Browse for latest products option and add several buttons as well. You can also press Add section that will show you a selection of a lot of customizations for you to choose from. You can add featured collections and products, collection list, rich text, image with text, image banners, slideshows, collage, multi-columns, and multi-rows, and many more. And for the footer of your online shop, you can also press Add section and a similar selection will appear just like the previous options. However, if you want to completely change the format of the theme, what you want to do is to press the paintbrush icon on the most left side of your screen. In here is where you can customize the theme settings. You can press Logo to upload the logo of your website, and even upload your favicon of choice. Up next is the color selection. In here is a selection of the colors that you want for your shop. So, if you have a color palette in mind, you'll enjoy this customization. And next is the typography. In here is where you can change all of the fonts in your online store. And then, there's layout. You can change the width, the grids, and the spaces of your online store. After that are the buttons of your shop. You can fully customize and adjust how they look as well as the variant fills. Then, you can also freely customize the product cards, collection cards, and blog cards, as well as the content containers. You can adjust their thickness and every other elements for your preference. You are also allowed to add your own media and customize it as well. Basically, everything in this list can be customizable to your desired outcome. Now, we are now going to proceed to Application Embed, which is the application icon under the paintbrush icon. What you can do here is embed your installed applications. But if you want more, You can press the View Apps button to look for a specific application or add anything that you would want to include in your Shopify online store. So to customize, let us say that you want to customize your image banner. What you are going to do is head back to Sections and press Image Banner. After that, a drop-down will appear. In here, you will see where you can upload your own image for the first and second images for your image banners. You can either upload your own or explore free images. Meaning, Shopify also has a collection of images that can be useful to your shop. And then, if you scroll down, you can see here that you can edit image opacity, adjust the banner height, and further adjust the desktop alignment and position of your online shop. And the fun part? You can even add animations and customize it for mobile users. And that's it! You can now customize your Shopify website. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!